The screen displays a web application dashboard with chat, dashboard, and admin options at the top. The main area shows SnohAva to Welcome with suggested queries. A drop-down menu appears under Admin, showing options like Database Connection, Prompt Master, and Training. The user clicks on Prompt Master and the screen transitions to a new page titled Enter Your Prompt. Text is typed into the prompt box. You are helpful AI assistant. More text is typed. You are advanced AI assistant that helps the user to provide the answer data on the basis of his queries questions. The user clicks Save. A green notification, Prompt saved successfully, appears at the top. The screen returns to the chat interface. The user types Hello in the query box. The AI responds, Hi, how can I assist you with your data or queries today? The user types what is your name in the query box. The AI responds, I'm an AI assistant designed to help with SQL queries. The user clicks Admin again and the drop-down menu reappears. The user selects Prompt Master from the menu. The Enter Your Prompt screen loads, showing the previously entered prompt. New text is added to the prompt. Your name is SnohAva. Always respond with this name when user asks your name. The user clicks Save. The prompt saved successfully. Notification appears. The screen returns to the chat interface. The user types what is your name again. The AI responds, My name is SnohAva, your advanced AI assistant for SQL queries.